Science! And a 1, 2. Woo! Dance. How? Hey kids, happy holidays from Professor Marbles. Today I've got a nice holiday experiment for you. We're going to take a Christmas tree and melt it. That's how I like to kick off the holidays. Let's go outside where it's safe. To the lab! Ho ho ho!
Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Alright, we're at the lab and we've decorated it for the holidays. We're gonna get ready to make our Christmas trees. We're gonna start with our baking soda and we're gonna add some water till we get it kind of like a gummy Play-Doh consistency. So let's see how long that takes, because this isn't exact science here. We need enough to fill at least one of our Christmas tree shapes that we've made out of a little paper plate that we cut and then taped up together. So we'll get ready for those in a second. So here we go. We're gonna add some water. We're getting there, but I think we need to add a touch of water because there's still a bunch that still isn't mixed in. Yeah. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's free real estate.
This is what we want. That's how we do it. Okay, cool. We're gonna add, is it just me or do we think some of this evaporated out? I don't know. Here we go.
Fast-looking alien!
Oh, that's a good shade of green. This is food coloring, by the way. Oh, we made so much. Look at that. Look at all this. Guacamole, salsa, other green things. There we go. I think that's pretty good. All right, cool. And now to try to shove all of that into one of our molds. Let's see how well that goes. All right, so I'll just put a little bit in. Oh yeah, this is good sand. And then I'm gonna put this in. You're not gonna see this. It's leaking out the bottom. We better do this quickly. I really don't know how well these are going to stay because it's, leaking out the bottom. And there's not a whole lot left, so I think we're gonna do just one. We can always make more. It's like floating to the top because it's got air in it. Yeah,
okay, now place it gently.
All right, so it's full of the stuff. I'm a strong boy, I'm a strong boy. Science, science. All right, so we're trying it again. We changed up the recipe a little bit, but we're gonna do it again, and we're gonna stuff our cone shape with our baking soda water mixture. And then it's kind of liquidy, but okay, let's see how that goes. I don't know that I'll be able to get it out, but we can try. It's not. You know what? Here, let's just do this. I got something. Guacamole, guacamole. Here, see? And we'll make our own little tree. It's gonna be a little Christmas tree. It's a Christmas tree. It's tree-ish shape, okay? Not all trees are beautiful. Not all trees are pointy. There we go. What do you think about that?
Yikes.
Pretty dang good, huh? Ho, ho, ho. So then we're gonna take a little eyedropper. You can use whatever you want really on this. And we're just gonna start to kind of drop it around on whatever. And watch as the tree melts away. Whee! Let's make some science happen. We're just gonna... Here, I got a little bit of food coloring left. Wow! And I'm sure this will just continue to react as more baking soda gets stirred up into the vinegar mixture. Now you have a nice delicious Christmas soup to serve your guests.
How about no?
Happy holidays. Well, I think that's kind of the end of this one. Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment. Happy holidays.